WordPress is one of the most popular website platforms in 2025, but beginners and even experienced users can make mistakes that affect their website's performance, security, and usability. In this video, we'll go over common WordPress mistakes and how to avoid them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more website tips and tutorials. One of the most frequent mistakes is neglecting updates. WordPress, themes, and plugins are regularly updated to improve security and functionality. Failing to update can leave your website vulnerable to hackers and compatibility issues. Always enable automatic updates or set a schedule to keep everything current. Another common error is installing too many plugins. While plugins add features, using too many or poorly coded plugins can slow down your website, create conflicts, and even break functionality. Focus on essential plugins, remove those you don't use, and always check plugin reviews and compatibility before installation. Many WordPress users also make security mistakes, such as using weak passwords, ignoring SSL certificates, or not backing up their site. Using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, installing security plugins, and scheduling regular backups are crucial steps to protect your website and data. A frequent design-related mistake is choosing the wrong theme. Some themes may look great but are poorly coded, not mobile-friendly, or slow to load. Always pick responsive, lightweight themes from reputable sources and test your website's speed and usability before going live. Finally, ignoring SEO and website performance is another trap. Slow-loading sites and poor SEO practices can hurt traffic and rankings. Optimize images, use caching plugins, and follow SEO best practices for titles, headings, and metadata to ensure your site performs well. In conclusion, avoiding these common WordPress mistakes, neglecting updates, overusing plugins, ignoring security, choosing the wrong theme, and skipping SEO optimization will help you create a faster, safer, and more professional website. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips and tutorials.